We're here in Kampala speaking to a few banks to see how Chenosis has really helped them move the dial in thwarting the SIM swap fraud. What we figured out is that with the rise and the change of mobile identity, there's been a rise of fraud in that space. We are working with a number of banks currently in implementations in Kampala. We've also worked with EcoBank, we've worked with Stanbic, and KCB is in the process of going live with this solution as well.
When it comes to the financial industry, one of the major concerns, all banks, including Stanbic, we are grappling with fraud, where a customer's line is SIM swapped and fraud takes place.
What happens when somebody loses their phone or somebody gets to know their login credentials?
A fraudster could easily take advantage of that newly swapped SIM card to register for mobile banking and fraudulently gets access to the funds of the customers in that particular institution.
MTN and Chenosis came in handy to provide us an API that enables us to do SIM swap detection.
That's proved very, very, very useful, because then somebody has to contact the bank, and when you come to us, we have to verify and confirm that it's you.
It alerts the banks and lets them know that someone is trying to access their systems and this person has had a SIM swap in the past few hours or so.
When you talk of API and the future of banking and we start talking about open banking, it's all about APIs enabling that collaboration that then help us make decisions on how we serve our customers.
I see KCB Bank Uganda collaborating with Chenosis on other integrations. We are looking at the geolocation, where we shall be able to have visibility of where our customers are in order to better the services that we offer to them. And of course, we are also looking at the AI for language translation, where our customers will have access to a chatbot which understands the language which they speak, implying that we shall be able to reach out to the different ethnicities in our country.
You've got, client onboarding, biometric identification, validating your clients, working with the National Registry, just making it seamless.
And one of the key things as well has been around financial inclusion. So the ability for banks to offer credit to more consumers based on how much they spend and what they do in their channels.
Even when you go to credit, I want to know how is the customer performing on the loans they are getting from Momo so that I can make better risk score.
You need the telco partnership as well, because that's where the phone numbers are ended. So doing it with MTN, then having Chenosis to support, amazing partnership.
Of course, MTN has been in Uganda for 20 plus years, so we are assured that if we want to deliver a project on time, then definitely it will be achieved because of their speed and efficiency.
We ultimately get to serve customers a lot faster. We're able to give bigger facilities and make things move.
So I believe this is something which is going to be groundbreaking, and it will create a lot of impact, both socially and also economically, to our country.
We've come so closer with banks that we are not selling them things, but we are really collaborating and co-creating solutions that are pivotal to how the banks will evolve.